a mega section was done with a SMART FUE technique. He is here at GLOJAS here today to do a beard hair transplant with a SMART FUE technique.
Hello, so today I've come all the way from Melbourne, Australia. So I just finished my hair transplant here at GLOJAS clinic using the SMART FUE technique.
The SMART FUE is only available at GLOJAS. The reason is that at GLOJAS we have patented as a trademark.
Thank you, GLOJAS.
I thank GLOJAS team for their hard work and I'm excited for the final results.
Just one word, awesome. Okay, thanks to Professor Dato Dr. JasG and the team. Thank you, GLOJAS.